Could you break a 3D printed part? Not this one. This part was reinforced with continuous carbon fiber on a Markforged printer. It's 23 times stronger than plastic, with a significantly higher strength-to-weight ratio than aluminum. What does that mean for you? It means that for the first time ever, you can print high-resolution, affordable, complex parts that don't break. You go from idea to end-use part in less than a day. However you choose to change the world, we're here to help you do even more. Reinforce your part with continuous strands of carbon fiber, fiberglass, or Kevlar. Our cloud-based print management software optimizes your print for you, making the transition from CAD to part easier than ever before. Are you ready to bring your manufacturing operation into the next industrial revolution? Request a sample part from Markforged today.